Hello, everyone. Oh, hi, Tilly. Today we're playing pattern games. Let's spin the wheel to see which game we're playing first. Yay! We're looking at flower patterns with Tilly. Come on, let's go. Now, Tilly loves patterns. Can you help Tilly find the pattern in this row of flowers? Let's take a closer look. What color is this flower? You're right, it's blue. What about this flower? It's pink. Now, what color is this flower? It's blue. What color is this flower? Is it pink or blue? You're right, it's pink. So the pattern of this row of flowers is one blue flower, one pink flower, one blue flower, one pink flower. Blue, pink, blue, pink. Now let's add on to this pattern. Since this last flower is pink, what color should the next flower be? Will it be pink or blue? You're right, blue. Oh, wow, you guys are great at this. Now, what color comes next? Pink or blue? Pink. Look how pretty our pattern came out to be. Aw. Now, are you all ready to create a pattern of your own? Let's go. Here's a new set of flowers. Let's see if there's a pattern. What color is this flower? It's purple. What color is this flower? It's yellow. What color is this flower? It's yellow too. What about this flower? What color is it? It's purple. And these next two flowers are yellow and yellow. So the pattern of this row of flowers is purple, yellow, yellow, purple, yellow, yellow. Wowee, you are so good at this, friends. Now it's time to sing about patterns with Tilly.
Let's do Tilly's pattern dance. It's such a fun dance to do. Yeah! We'll follow Tilly's pattern. You can do it too. And it goes like this. Jump once, clap twice. Stomp 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Jump once, clap twice. Stomp 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Can we change it a little? Put a hop in the middle, spin around and pretend to climb? But that's not Tilly's pattern. A pattern does the same thing every time. Oh, here we go. Jump once, clap twice. Stomp 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Jump once, clap twice. Stomp 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, stomp. That's Tilly's pattern.
Welcome back. Hi, Tilly. Hi, Lulu. Let's spin the wheel to see what patterns we're finding next. Ooh, shapes! Lulu wants to look at patterns and shapes. Here we go. What is this first shape called? It's a triangle. What color is the triangle? It's yellow. Good job. What is this shape called? Is this a triangle too? No, this is a square. What color is the square? You're right, it's red. Oh, what about this shape? What is this shape called? It's a circle. What color is the circle? It's blue. You're on a roll. Oh, look here. It's another triangle. What color is this? You're right again. It's a yellow triangle. I think we're starting to make a pattern, don't you? Let's take a look. We have a yellow triangle, a red square, and a blue circle. Based on this set of shapes, What shape should go after the yellow triangle? Should it be a blue circle? No, not quite. What about a red square? You're right. A red square belongs here. Now that we have this red square, which shape goes here? Now remember, our set of shapes is a yellow triangle, a red square, and a blue circle. So, which shape do you think belongs here? A blue circle, you're right. Wow, you're great at this. Wow, look at this beautiful pattern we've created. Yellow triangle, red square, blue circle, yellow triangle, red square, blue circle. Now let's look at more shapes with our word party friends.
Shape it, shape it, shape it. No corners,